Divide the two complex numbers below and write the quotient in the form a plus bi. So to divide complex numbers, the trick is to multiply the top and bottom of the fraction by the complex conjugate. So the conjugate of 3 minus I is 3 plus I. So I'm going to FOIL on the bottom, and on the top, I'm just doing a regular distribute. 3 times 3 plus I would be 9 plus 3i. And on the bottom, I do FOIL. So I do 3 times 3 is 9. And then I have plus 3i minus 3i minus I squared. And now I just simplify. So my I terms cancel, and I have 9 plus 3i over 9 minus, instead of I squared, I put a negative 1. So this is 9 plus 3i over 10, which is 9 tenths plus 3 tenths I. And we are asked for the value of b in a plus bi. So that's my 3 tenths, which is option D.